Hey guys, it's Mary, and look what has arrived. The Crafter's Companion Template Library, orange templates and recipe cards. Now, we are almost done. After this, we have one more that's supposed to be here in December, and that's the red. If you have been lucky enough, fortunate enough, like I have, to be able to have received all of them so far, we're almost to the finish line. Every time it's scary if we're actually going to get it or not. This one pretty much came close to being on time. When it first came up on HSN, on my orders, it said it was extended delivery, but then it shipped within a few days. So let's get into it. I haven't looked at it in person. I have to say, you know, when I see, I always try to take pictures when they're showing the auto ships so I can remember what we're getting. This one didn't throw me a lot, so hopefully in person it will. So let's have at it. If they can get it open. Let me know in comments if you've been able to get the whole set. I know some people missed, I think, the blue, and several were able to pick it up on Crafter's Companion's regular website. So, all right, one more. I'm sorry for the noise. I probably should have taken this out of the wrapper, but then I would have looked at it and you wouldn't have gotten my initial reaction. If you're new to the channel, just so you know, I'm not sponsored by anybody because I'm small. So everything that I have, I purchase myself. So if I've purchased it and I don't like it, I'm going to let you know. Because it wasn't given to me for free, so that I could be nice about it. So, you know, we work hard for our money. Especially these days, money doesn't go as far. So if you're going to spend money on something, you want to be happy. You want to be glad that you made that purchase. So, all right. So, as usual, we have our recipe cards. And we've got the templates. And they come in different sizes depending on how big the end result project is. It looks like looks like 12 of them are smaller. Okay, this is the gift bag, treat box. I remember, yeah. Excuse me. There's a couple of cards, but there's a lot of three-dimensional stuff, and I don't usually do them. And then there's just 3 of the larger ones. So we'll see what we see in the recipe cards. This would be a perfect one if you're into 3D projects and gift bags and gift things. So, all right. So we've got project number 1 is a gift box. And it doesn't say, it does say on the template, but the finished size of the bag, gift bag, is 3.5 by 5 by 1 3/4. So 5 inches tall. Looks like it's 5 inches tall, 3.25 wide, and then 1.5 tall. Good for a little bit of candy. Or maybe a gift card. All right, so number 2 is a waterfall card. Excuse me. I think I've gotten something from my granddaughter. I wasn't coughing until I saw her and kissed her. But I couldn't resist kissing her. So, because she's a cutie. Waterfall card. I know that they've had the die for this before. But it's a nice, you know, when you pull it, it flips up and flips down. So, and here's a hexagon petal card. Split gatefold card. It's a nice one. I like that. I like the waterfall too. I've never tried one. I take that back. I did years and years ago on a layout at Expo years ago. I don't think it worked out very well, so hopefully this will be better. So we got the split gatefold for number 4. The no glue pyramid treat box. Okay, that's interesting. No glue. So it must just all pop into itself. It looks like there's a lot of lines and a lot of cutting. We'll see. Multi-flap card. This is cute. It goes right and left and right. I don't think I've ever seen one of these before. That's kind of cute. It's different. And it doesn't look too difficult. Pop-up box card. Okay. So, you know, maybe 2 years ago when they had the pop-up box card auto ship, and they had like the mermaid and all the different themes. I bought every one of those because they were on auto ship, and I think I made 1 box. So it's pretty tragic. Pretty tragic. And now, there you go. Look, you can make it quick and simple, but no butterflies. You have to supply your own butterflies, because that is very cute with them on the acrylic strips coming out of the card. Very cute, or the box. And then we got a butterfly shape card. And yes, I have all of the auto ships for the shape cards. So I'm pretty sure there was a butterfly in there. And a heart cone box. Excuse me. Mini hexagon easel card. If I look over to my left, I can see all of those easel cards with the different shapes. That looks like a simple one though. house gift box. So there's another box. That's kind of cute. The cat-shaped card. Now, I don't have one of those. And I have a lot of people I know that love cats. So I will be definitely making this. And they will love it, I'm sure. I'll make it without the pumpkin, though. I hope there's a template for the eyes, because I'm not very good free-handed like that. Does it say how big it is when it's done? No, we'll have to look at the template. It's number 12. Then we've got a Square Basic gift bag. It's pretty. Crackers. I can make some of those for New Year's Eve. Put some goodies in them. Well, there's a lot of cutting. You gotta cut all of those out. That's a lot. Jiminy. Circular easel card. Yep, another easel card. He just did an event, and Jennifer McGuire had a unique way of doing easel cards. It was pretty impressive. I'll have to show you, do a video. It was easy. All right, here's the cat. We gotta check out the cat. All right, and it does have a little slit for the eye. Oh, and you can do the pumpkin, or you can do the ball of yarn. So that's cute. I'll do it with the ball of yarn. And the collar. I like that. I will be using those. So, well, so that's it. So, not my favorite. A couple of good ones that I'll try. This, I guess was supposed to be the Halloween one. And then the next one, I think, has some Christmas. Let's take a look. All right, so this is this one that we just got. The cracker, the 3 left, right, left, the waterfall. So the last one is the red, and that comes supposedly December 11th. And it's got a Christmas tree. It's got these 3 boxes. This is kind of interesting. With the base and then the 3 panels there. Card. Exploding box. I have that too. And pillow boxes. Pillow boxes are always nice and they're easy to make. And I'm not quite sure what this is. It looks like it has 4 little squares. We'll see when we get there. So yeah, that's it. That'll be the last one, and we can all breathe a sigh of relief that we don't have to sit and wait and hope. So, all right, so tell me what you think in comments. Do you think, did you get this? Have you been doing the auto ships? Have you gotten them all? Have you had issues with getting them all? Did you get your orange set? Do you think you'll use it a lot? What's your favorite one in there? Let me know in comments. I'm always, interested to find out what you guys think, because everybody sees things different. One man's trash is another man's treasure, they said. And sometimes when you've got a block, or, like, that doesn't fit my style, thought, it kind of blocks your creativity. But then when somebody else will take that same thing and make something, and you think, oh my gosh, I never would have thought of that. It's so pretty. Why wasn't I using that? Or why did I think that was, not worthy of my time? So, that's why I always like to know what you guys are doing and what you guys think. So that's it. So thanks for stopping by, as always. If you're a subscriber already, thank you. If you haven't yet subscribed, but you'd like to, you can hit the subscribe button. And then you can also hit the bell, and that will send you notifications when there's a new video to watch. There's also a share button that you can share. It'll give you the link to share in your social media, or email. If you have friends that you want to watch something, it's easier sometimes to just watch this instead of trying to explain to somebody. Yeah, and that like button is super important. So if you like the video, anytime you see a video from a YouTube channel, if you like the video, hit the like button, because it really does a lot for our channel, and it makes us happy, because it makes our YouTube happy. So and we all appreciate it. So that's it for this time. Orange Template Library. I'm going to go up on the shelf in my little container with the other ones. Alright, so till next time, stay safe, stay well, and happy crafting. See you next time. Bye-bye.